Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 3, this is your fourth lesson that is related about the exercise of 5 and 6 of your booklet. The first one, the topic is noun, common and proper and collective. So about nouns and common and proper nouns, you have already got a lot of knowledge in your class 2 and you can do easily the exercises mentioned in booklet and grammar tree. Just memorize the definitions of common noun, proper noun once again and this exercise. Point out common noun and proper noun. I think there is no need to read all the text for you because you can do easily the exercise by your own because you have done a lot of things related to common noun and proper noun in grade 2. So finish this exercise on the booklet and then the B part is do exercise A on the page 1 of the grammar tree as concept of common noun and proper noun is already taught in previous class. The collective noun is the different things and new thing for you. So I will give you a lesson presentation about collective noun. This is a page of the grammar tree about common noun and proper noun and you have to do this on the book. Read by yourself and then do this all. So this is a page, this is a slide for you about collective noun. Simply, I'm telling you collective noun is a group of things, animals or people. मीन्स जब बहुत सी चीज़ें इकट्ठी होती हैं उनको एक इकट्ठा नाम दिया जाता है डैट इज़ कलेक्टिव नाउन. बहुत सी चीज़ों के कलेक्शंस को कोई एक नाम दिया जाता है डैट इज़ कलेक्टिव नाउन. Here are 3 pictures and I will explain. You can see a lot of keys. There is no one key. Key is a noun. You know key is a noun. But these are lot of keys. So we say this a bunch of keys. So bunch word we used for this a number of keys. So bunch is a collective noun. A bunch of keys. Keys are noun and a bunch of keys. For a lot of keys we use bunch word. So we use a bunch of keys and bunch is a collective noun just like a bunch of bananas. So bunch is a collective noun. A bunch of grapes. So bunch is a collective noun. And look at this picture. There are a lot of people. There are 1 2 3 4 5 people. 5 persons are sitting here. 3 are girls and 2 are boys. So we say a group of people. A group of people. So group, we use group for this. So group is a collective noun. Look at this picture. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 birds. So we say a flock of birds. A flock of birds. There is no written a flock of birds, but you know the examples are given in your group in your grammar tree and your booklet. A flock of birds means flock is a collective noun. Just like a team of players, a team of players. Players की बहुत से प्लेयर्स हो इकट्ठा उनको बोलेंगे टीम. सो टीम इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. बंच, ग्रुप, फ्लॉक एंड टीम, these are collective nouns. So again come to the definition. A group of things, animals or people. A collection of things, animals or people. वी से कलेक्टिव नाउन. कलेक्टिव नाउन क्या होता है कि थिंग्स का एक ग्रुप हो या एनिमल्स का एक ग्रुप हो या पीपल का ग्रुप हो उसको बोलते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन. जब बहुत सी चीज़ें इकट्ठी होती हैं उस पूरे ग्रुप को कोई ना कोई नाम दे देते हैं डैट इज़ कलेक्टिव नाउन. जैसे कीज़ के लिए बंच का नाम दिया, पीपल के लिए ग्रुप का नाम दिया, बर्ड्स के लिए फ्लॉक का नाम दिया. This is the page of your grammar tree and there are a lot of things. A lot of collective nouns are given. You can read all these and focus on exercise B because you have to do exercise B that is mentioned in your booklet. The words are given here. This is simple because the collective nouns are here and nouns are in this box. So a bunch of, आपको पता होना चाहिए bunch का word हम किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Yes, keys. If you don't know, you can find from this column, from this table, find the correct nouns from this table, then write here. But this is 6A exercise and it's so simple. Pick out collective nouns from the given sentences. You can do this easily by yourself. Number 1, my family is consisting of 7 members. In this, which one is collective noun? Yes, this family. Because family सब लोगों के लिए यूज़ हो रही है जिसमें आपके मामा पापा बहन भाई और आप खुद हो. So family is a collective noun. Underline the family and write here. Number 2, a flock of birds flew in right direction. Number 3, I lost bunch of keys. Number 5, team of footballers came back to the Pakistan. Number 5, she gave me pack of cards. Cards, it should be cards. She gave me pack of cards. Cards का क्या दिया उसने? Packs. We use pack word for the cards. So these are collective nouns. Underline them, then write here. And exercise 6B is do exercise B regarding collective noun on page 3 of grammar T. That is, I just showed now, and I will show again. This is page 3 of grammar T, and this is exercise B.